This is an idea of what to pack for uni if you're starting uni in September. Firstly, you're going to want to bring extension cables. There really isn't that many power sockets in uni halls, so it's great if you want to be able to plug your phone in by your bed overnight or work on your laptop while it's charging.
Something else you should definitely bring is flip-flops or sliders, because your kitchens, halls, shared areas get really dirty, so you're not going to be wanting to walk around barefoot.
Bring lots of hangers with you. You don't want to bother with ironing, so just make sure you hang all your clothes up so all the creases can drop out, and it'll be much better.
A clothes horse is really good because circuit laundry can get really expensive, especially when it comes to actually drying your clothes. So it will save you a lot of money buying an over-the-door clothes horse, and it also saves you a lot of trips to and for the laundry room. An over-the-door clothes horse really saves a lot of space in your room instead of buying a really big one, unless maybe when you get to uni you might want to buy one as a flat and all share it.
Bring a really distinguishable set of cutlery. They're going to get lost or go missing, or someone's just going to pick them up accidentally, so make sure you have a set that you know is yours straight away that you can have on hand. Bring some old trainers with you. They're great if you want to go clubbing because they're not going to get any more ruined than they already are. And just nobody wears heels, so don't bother bringing them, just bring the trainers.
Another thing is a mattress topper, which adds that layer of protection for you because you don't know who slept in your bed before, and also if you get any stains on it, it doesn't ruin the mattress and you won't get charged at the end of the year by your uni.
Bring toilet roll. It sounds stupid, but it's so essential and you might need it on moving day. Storage boxes are a great thing to have. The flat ones can go under your bed or under your desk and you can stack them up. Just a great way to organise your stuff because you're not going to have that much room or storage space.
So one thing I regretted not bringing was a fancy dress, because it came to Halloween, I didn't have an outfit, I had to put one together last minute, so I should have thought to bring one beforehand. And also there tends to be a lot of theme nights, so a fancy dress would have came in handy.
Air diffusers are great to have too. They make your room smell so good, and you're not allowed candles in uni hall, so these are a much better alternative.
One thing I didn't think was actually real is fresh as flu, but it is very real. So bring all these medications that your mum has in her cupboard for flu, coughs, cold, anything. Literally bring them because you're going to need them.
Other just quick fire things to have that can be really handy are ice trays because you might want cold drinks, a shower caddy, socks because they go missing all of the time, maybe some blue tack or magnets because you might be able to hang or stick photos up in your room.
So those are the things you'd recommend bringing to uni. A tip that I would suggest is don't overbuy or overpack or buy things that you're not sure of now. I'd suggest waiting until you get to uni and buy those things when you're at uni from the shops around you if you don't have them, because for example if you buy a kettle, there might already be a kettle in your accommodation shared kitchen.
And it'll also be way cheaper if you wait and figure out later, because you might be able to chip in and buy things with your flatmates at the time rather than everyone buying individually and then having multiple copies of different things. Buy the essentials, but then wait a couple of weeks as you go into starting uni and you can figure out what else you might need. That's all for us, but good luck and we hope you enjoy your first year at university.